All right, this is another lock for the LPU scorecard. This is a Brinks 40 millimeter laminated padlock. I think it has, I know it has some security pins, but I'm going to roll it back here old school with my one of my original sets, the Sparrows with the dipped handle. And just a basic, I don't even know if that's a Sparrows, but a basic bottom of the keyway tool, which is not in focus. Yeah, so we'll see what we got here on this one, working through the camera. So there's that. It's been a while, but I'll see what I can do here. 1, 2, 3. Is that right? Did I miss one? 1, 2, 3. Nope. It's sometimes 1. I think on this lock is high set. Not. Yeah, there we go. Super high set pin on 1. Sometimes I get a false set on this one, sometimes I don't. Yeah, and this pick, by the way, if you look at it compared to, I'm going to try and leave this one here for comparison. It's got a little dip right here, but that's actually part of that's the way the pick comes. At least I assume it is, because all of mine in this profile from Sparrows come like that. But anyways, that was the Brinks 40 millimeter laminated